everyone, my name's Emily and I'm a sophomore at Albright College, currently interning with Party Host Helpers. So today I want to share with you this really easy and fun DIY that you can do either with your friends and your family, or you can make it as a gift as well. So the ingredients and supplies you'll need are super simple. You'll just need a sphere mold. I got mine off of Amazon for about $10. You can get it really at any craft store or anywhere that sells baking supplies. You'll also need some toppings and some fillings for the inside. So I have some mini marshmallows, some peppermint, some crushed peppermint, sprinkles, and chocolate shavings as well. And you can do it either holiday themed or not holiday themed, whatever you choose. You'll also need some melting chocolate, so I'm using this brand in white and milk chocolate, but you can choose whatever kind that you like. You'll also need some milk or some hot water for afterwards when you put the chocolate bomb inside the milk or the water, whatever liquid you choose. And then you'll also need a cocoa packet for the inside filling of the hot cocoa bombs. So to start, all you'll need is to take the chocolate and melt it in the microwave or over a stovetop, and then you're going to fill these sphere molds and then cover it around the outsides to make sure it's hollow, not filled all the way. So that way it looks like this. And then you'll just pop them out after you freeze them for about 10 minutes or however long your chocolate takes to set. And then once they're out and ready to go, you can take your cocoa powder and whatever fillings you like, whether you want some mini marshmallows, some crushed peppermint, or even some more chocolate on the inside, you can fill that up. And after you pour the cocoa powder in the one side, you're going to leave the other side for the stove top. You're going to heat up a small pan on the stove on a low heat, and then you're going to take one side, the side that doesn't have the cocoa powder in it, over top of the pan, press it into the pan like this, and then just melt the top so that way it creates a binding. So that way when you press them together, they create a little hot cocoa bomb. And then you're going to put that back in the freezer for that to set, and just make sure that they set long enough so when you pull them out, I put them back in here just like this. And then when I pulled them out of the freezer, they set completely and they were a nice little ball shape. And that's the type of shape that you're looking for. And then once they're out, it's time for the fun part, which is to decorate. So you can use anything you would like. I use some white chocolate, some milk chocolate on top, some sprinkles, peppermint, whatever you choose. And then once they're done, you just take one hot cocoa bomb like this, and then you just put it in some hot milk or hot water, drop it in, and you'll see slowly it opens up. If you put a spoon in, mix it around a bit, you'll see it's starting to open up with the cocoa inside. To make sure your milk is super hot. There you go, it's starting to open up. And then once the cocoa's out, you just mix it around, and the chocolate and everything inside will melt, and then you'll have a nice treat for the holiday season. So there you go, you just mix it up, mix in the cocoa powder like you would a regular hot chocolate, and it's a super fun, super easy, and simple DIY for the holiday season. So a tip that I have for anyone looking to host a party this holiday season is to hire a party host helper, so that way it'll make your holiday season much easier and you can spend a lot more time with your friends and family and not worrying about the details behind the scenes. Just remember, if you decide to try this recipe at home, to tag party host helpers on whatever social media you post on, and remember to click back on some of our old YouTube videos to see some of the other interns creating their recipes as well. So I hope you have a happy holiday season, and cheers!